Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for our first ever coffee break video, which is going to be made up of short 5-minute bursts of insight covering service desk trends and kind of issues that you guys are facing. So what's more insightful than starting off by introducing ourselves? My name's Ollie O'Donoghue and I'm an industry analyst here at the Service Desk Institute, and I've got a background in public sector. I used to work for quite a large public sector organisation. Dave?
Yeah, my name's David Wright, and I'm currently Director of Professional Services here at the SDI. I've been here for 2.5 years now, and it seems really quick actually, but anyway, 2.5 years here. Prior to that, I worked in outsourcing, so 20 years worth of experience in business process outsourcing, IT outsourcing. The last organisation I worked for, brilliant organisation in South Wales, a global organisation, who were the first, believe it or not, the first organisation to become a 5-star service desk. So I was a customer. We do, yeah. I do tend to talk a lot about that. But we were a customer of the SDI before I joined, and I was lucky enough then to have a chance to join the management team here. So yeah, I love commercial outsourcing stuff. I love all that.
So I'm Carla Thornleigh. I'm currently the head of service desk certification here at the SDI, and I didn't even find the SDI through being a customer. I found the SDI through being a help desk manager, struggling to know what on earth I should be doing first. So I came across the standards years ago when I was working in higher education. So I've had 15 years working in various IT roles across higher education. Didn't really know where to start, which is quite often the case with service desk work. So came across the standard and really thought, actually, these guys seem to know what they're talking about. Since then, I've actually kind of, I still believe very strongly that we know what we're talking about. And I'm delighted to now work for the SDI. So my path was higher education, made the move into corporate, so set up service desks in the corporate world where IT maturity wasn't particularly high. So it was part of the programme of service improvement to have a very strong service desk. Have been training for the SDI for many years and now work full-time for the SDI and have been here unbelievably for 15 months. It feels like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I have to say I love every minute.
Yeah.
So now I'm getting to meet other customers and other people from across different sectors and organisations, which is really, really powerful. Couldn't have a better job if I created it myself.
So I think what's interesting here is we've got a broad range of perspectives between us, public sector.
Sorry to interrupt, Tom. We've also got a new member of the team, or newer member of the team,
Matt.
who couldn't join us today,
Yeah.
with an exceptional amount of experience as well, from setting up service desks and working in all types of industries. So it's a shame Matt's not here. I think he's working somewhere else today, isn't he? Which is
yeah.
But yeah,
Busy man.
We are busy.
Busy man. Yeah. But anyway, Matt brings in a new perspective. So you're from higher education primarily, managed service, public sector, and Matt's got a broad experience in quite a range of businesses.
Yeah, quite a range. He's done some higher education stuff as well, hasn't he?
I think it was further education.
Further education,
different challenges in that sector.
Yeah. But he's also got some commercial experience too, which is pretty cool.
Yeah.
At a number of different types of organisations. So yeah, it's.
And I think we've all joined SDI as customers. I think each and every one of us was a customer at one point, whether or not it's a service desk certification customer. I think we were. You were a trainer for a while.
So I did service desk manager years ago and loved it and got the level to allow me to train it myself. So that was my real.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Cool. Okay, so the plan is, with this wide perspective, we'll be able to deliver some interesting insight over the course of these coffee break videos. 5-minute short bursts covering a trend that crops up, discussing it, probably disagreeing. Generally disagree on everything. So really looking forward to seeing you at the next coffee break video.